Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fluorescent flash effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click new project, add video that you want to edit, this one. And then in here, I wanna add fluorescent flash effect. This is the newest effect on CapCut. So you just click on the effect at the bottom, this one, click on it and click on body effect, this one. And at the menu, you can click on the decoration, this one, click on it. And you can see this is the newest effect on CapCut, fluorescent flash effect. So you just click on it and click check icon in here. And after this, you can adjust the effect. So you just click on the adjust at the bottom, this one. You can adjust for the filter, for the speed, and then for the sticker, and for the background animation. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom, this one. Now set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add fluorescent flash effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.